Right everybody, so I am back at CG Motortech and today I'm with Ray, hiding over there. So we're actually going to put a map on the Golf. So we're going to plug in, Ray's going to have a look at what's on there already, send the map off, and then he'll come back and we'll put a flash tune on it. So let's get into it. Ray's got the battery charger on the vehicle because it needs plenty of power while we're doing it. We don't want the battery going flat. So just explain what you're doing.
Just reading the ECU, and it says to connect the battery charger, as we already have done.
And is that, so we're reading the ECU to see what map's already on it?
Yes.
Or just so that you've got a baseline?
So we need to see what already has, because we don't know. If you know the history of the car, of
Yep.
course.
Yeah, of course,
Probably it was already mapped before.
Yep.
And if it's mapped, there is no point to do it again.
Yes, of course, yeah.
Yeah. So you'll check what's in there, and then going from that point, we'll see what we can do with it.
Cool. So what do you know roughly, like what stage one will be, about 240-ish horsepower?
It should be, but there is one but. We need to know what you have now.
Yeah, of course.
So we're going from the point that it should be 200, let's say, yes,
yep.
on the stock. So in theory, yeah, 240. But to check it, we always need to do diagnostics before mapping and after mapping.
Yeah. So we need to do a dyno day.
Yeah. So you basically needs to be dyno day. And plus, we don't know how fuel system performing. In theory, everything is good. How all the air system, all that turbo performance and stuff like that, it could bring a bit down.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's basic stuff.
So flash is on, yeah?
Yes, flash on. Just need to reset. Double check everything. Let's see.
On the button. So you're just doing a diagnostic now to make sure there's no error codes from the new map.
And plus we will need to check after.
Yep.
So when we disconnect, when we put the map, you disconnect ECU from all the car.
Yep.
So most of systems are now complaining that there was no communication with ECU.
Right, okay.
So we're doing just quick erase and double checking there is nothing. So cool. I will just go one more time to see.
Yep.
Else.
Right, so the Golf is now mapped thanks to Ray. We're going to go give it a run and see what it's like up the road. Fingers crossed it doesn't blow itself up, but I'm sure Ray's map is going to be spot on. And yeah, if you ever need anything, pop down to CG Motortech, ask for Ray and get him to map your car. So, map's on. This is the first drive. Let's go for a spin. Estimated 240 brake. It is just a flash, so we don't know. We haven't done obviously any dyno runs, but we will see very shortly if it makes a big difference. Let's go for a drive. Luckily, CG Motortech is just on an industrial estate, but a couple of roads over is a nice fast 60, so we'll go and give it a go down there and see how quickly the 0 to 60 is improved and what the additional boost feels like, and fingers crossed we don't blow up the gearbox. Okay. So you can definitely feel more boost. Like the just then coming out of that junction and putting my foot down. I mean, it's still not mind-blowingly quick. We said this before, but the difference is massively noticeable when you put your foot down. There's instead of it being quite linear, there is a bit of a spike in the boost. You do feel that jump. No horrible noises either. Nothing too untoward. Annoyingly, I'm stuck in a load of traffic, so I can't do much boosting at the moment. Safe to say it's definitely boosting quicker. Now, I did some really rudimentary tests. So this is a pre-map 0 to 60 time. As you can see, the best time I managed to set was a 7.1 0 to 60 before the tune. Now, after the flash tune went on, the best time that I managed to achieve, I was really pleased with. I managed to get it down to a 6.2 second 0 to 60 after the flash. I was absolutely blown away by that, and you can even see the torque steer in the video. UK's cheapest Golf GTI. So, 170,000 miles, we've just mapped it, and it survived having a flash on it. It's taken it to approximately 240 horsepower, and if I'm honest, I'm really pleased with it. It makes the world of difference. It's, yeah, just a much better car to drive, and it's much quicker, and I think it will quite happily keep up with some faster vehicles now. So, yeah. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Drop in the comments below. Did you think it was going to survive? See you in the next video. Bye! Yeah, fine, thank you. Yeah, we're shooting a video, but thank you for asking. Yeah, fine, thank you.